Hello Moshi Monster fans! Today I got Moshi Monster Yum Yum Kitchen! I'm really excited about this because I love making food and of course I like eating the food. And the front and this is the back. And today I'm just opening it because I don't have the ingredients just yet. So in the next video, you're going to see me make the foods. Scissors. We got the lollipop stands. This yellow one has cutie pie on it. This orange one has Coolio, the ice cream. But this pink one is Iggy. Maker, and you can have Hansel, Iggy, and Odie. Now, this is a big bag. Let's put this box away. Here are the two instruction books. And this one is Melt and Mold, and the other one is Shape and Decorate. Now we got the tray that you can make. This is the tray that you can make chocolate and jelly with it. Now this one is the sandwich cutter. There's Hansel. Yeah, you can fit it like this. Hansel. Odie. Of course, Iggy. And this is the tube for decoration. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this yummy yum kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye!